How to edit PDF file in laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can edit PDF file in laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Word in your laptop. After you open up Word in your laptop, now you have to open up your PDF file. So click on open from this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll to your document, and you have to select the PDF file that you would like to edit. So for example, I have this PDF file right here. You have to click and open it up. So once you select your document, you will see this kind of pop-up in your interface here. You have to click on OK. Now your PDF file will be loaded in your Word. That will allow you to edit. So once you're here, now you have this cursor in your interface. You can simply click on it, and if you want to add text, you can add as well and edit your PDF file. Once you're done, and if you want to save this as a PDF file, again, navigate to top right corner, click on File. You can go to Save As. Now select your location where you want to save it, and here again click on this drop down and select PDF, and you can rename your file and then save it. So in this way, you can simply edit your PDF file in laptop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.